Soothe your scalp. Witch hazel, a astringent often used to soothe irritated and red skin, helps alleviate trouble with oily or greasy hair and dryness or dandruff on the scalp. Healthy and hydrating. Includes kelp and algae extracts to nourish hair with nutrients and provide deep, long-lasting hydration. Cooling relief. Provides a cooling and tingling sensation on the scalp and has been known to help alleviate itchy and dry scalp. Premium. Good for you ingredients. We thoughtfully curate each ingredient to keep you fresh and moisturized. They're vegan, animal cruelty-free and dermatologist-tested. We never use sulfates, alcohol, parabens, phthalate or talc. Made in the USA. Get a fresh, hydrating clean while promoting strong, healthy hair. This shampoo harnesses the power of 2C ingredients, kelp and algae extracts, to nourish hair with nutrients and provide deep hydration. By infusing hair with lightweight moisture, this formula helps restore and smooth hair, making it ideal for hair prone to dryness or frizz. The crisp water notes of our classic fresh ocean splash scent will leave you cool and refreshed. Top reviews from the United States. Great men's product. I am admittedly one of those 3 in -1, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, bottom of the rack product guys and have been for years. I was looking to make a change and had used and was impressed with OA sun care and lotion products. Their products are great and are very competitively priced for what you are getting in a quality product. This shampoo smells and feels great. Another great addition to the growing OA product line.